Hey everyone, welcome back to Use the Bitcoin. Today, I want to share some insights into my latest Bitcoin purchase and dive into what's happening with the market right now. Recently, I bought Bitcoin when it dipped down to the $59,700 level. Now, I get it, Bitcoin's price might not look all that thrilling at the moment. But for me, this is all about the bigger picture. I see Bitcoin as a long-term investment, and I'm holding strong, regardless of these short-term fluctuations. If you take a look at our buy zones, you'll notice we're still inside the green box. This is a good sign for anyone looking to invest, as it suggests we're still in a relatively safe area. It's important to remember that the market moves in waves, and dips like this, while unsettling for some, are actually opportunities for others. For me, this drop isn't something to be feared. It's an invitation to accumulate more. Now, I am very much bullish on Bitcoin, but let's be real. No one can say for sure what the market is going to do next. If we see Bitcoin break below the $60,000 mark and close below that level, it's a pretty strong indicator that we could be in for more downside. We might even revisit the $56,000 level, or in a worst-case scenario, hit $52,000. If that happens, it'll be a hit on our portfolios, no doubt about it. But as traders, it's important to stay agile and ready to react to whatever the market presents. At the end of the day, our job is to navigate these waves and make the most of them. Now, let's talk about the other side of the story, the activity of Bitcoin whales. Just recently, these large BTC holders have either sold or redistributed a massive 30,000 BTC, which is worth over $1.8 billion. This is significant and definitely impacts the market. According to on-chain data from Sentiment, shared by well-known crypto analyst Ali Martinez, this sell-off has contributed to a broader decline in the crypto market. To put things in perspective, Bitcoin's price has dropped from a recent high near $64,000 to around $60,700. This pullback has had a ripple effect, wiping nearly $100 billion off the total cryptocurrency market value. But here's the interesting part, while it looks like a setback, it's actually opening doors for long-term investors. Recent analysis from CryptoQuant's IT Tech suggests that short-term Bitcoin holders are steadily exiting the market. This gradual exit has lowered selling pressure and created room for long-term investors to step in and accumulate at lower prices. The data indicates that as these short-term holders sell, their coins often end up in stronger hands, which could help stabilize the market and set a potential price floor. We're seeing new whales enter the scene, snapping up Bitcoin during this accumulation phase. It suggests that while some whales are selling off, others are doubling down and betting on Bitcoin's long-term value. These accumulation trends indicate that, despite recent sell-offs, the overall market sentiment among serious investors remains bullish. While it's true that Bitcoin's price has been volatile, this activity from whales and other big players shows there's still a lot of faith in the crypto space. Remember, the decisions of these big players can often signal what might come next for the broader market. So, to sum it all up, yes, Bitcoin's recent price action has been a bit of a roller coaster. We've seen a significant sell-off, especially among some major holders, but we've also witnessed a fresh wave of accumulation among new whales. For those of us in it for the long haul, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. The market is doing its thing, and as traders and investors, our task is to understand it, respond to it, and make the most of the opportunities it presents. If you're a long-term believer in Bitcoin, these price fluctuations might just be the perfect chance to build your position. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay sharp, keep learning, and trade wisely. See you in the next video.